Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Rutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Vijay Palladio Premium Kharadi, which is located in Kharadi, Pune and developed by Vilas Javadekar Developers. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में। विजय पलाडियो प्रीमियम खराड़ी will be constructed on 4.8 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 25 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK smart and 4 BHK premium residences. And now let's talk about the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक एंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नेक्स्ट कपिला रिसोर्ट खराड़ी पुणे. जो रोड जाते हो आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है अपर खराड़ी मेन रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है Decathlon Wagholi within 1.1 kilometer, DMart Wagholi within 2.2 kilometer and also Barclays LTS campus within 4.3 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like kids play area, senior sit out area, multi-purpose hall, indoor games, gymnasium, clubhouse, jogging track and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Vijay Palladio Premium Kharadi has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK Smart and 4 BHK Premium Residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 750 to 770 square feet, 3 BHK Smart starting from 950 to 960 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1000 to 1150 square feet and 4 BHK with 1300 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project UI windows is open now and then clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the UI booking also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Vijay Palladio Premium Kharadi, which is located in Kharadi, Pune and developed by Vilas Javadekar Developers. And और अगर आपने लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.